Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to enroll TagMango user on FlexiFunnels purchase. So here I am an online educator and I am providing my courses online with the help of FlexiFunnels. To provide the content to the users of these courses, I am using TagMango. So my objective is that as soon as an interested student is going to make the purchase of a course in FlexiFunnels, I want to add that student as a user in TagMango. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up the connection between FlexiFunnels and TagMango, and that we are going to do without any coding and any programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation for your business step by step and you want to know how this automation is actually going to work, for that let me take you all towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So in this video we are going to learn how we can automatically add a user in TagMango whenever a purchase will be made in FlexiFunnels. So as an online creator and online educator, I am selling my courses with the help of FlexiFunnels. And to manage all the courses and provide exclusive content to all the users of the courses who have made the payment for these courses, I am using TagMango. And my objective is that when a person is going to purchase a course from FlexiFunnels, the person should be enrolled in TagMango to experience the content of that course. Okay, but manually adding each of the student as a user in TagMango is time-consuming process. Therefore, I want that as soon as a student is going to make the purchase in FlexiFunnels, automatically that student should be enrolled in TagMango as a user. Now, to automate this entire process, I will have to set up the connection between FlexiFunnels and TagMango, and that we are going to do without any coding and any programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which helps us to automate all our daily repetitive tasks without the requirement of any coding and programming skills, that too effortlessly. So today, with the help of Pabbly Connect, we will set up the connection between FlexiFunnels and TagMango. So FlexiFunnel, as you know, is learning management platform, and on the other hand, TagMango is content management platform which helps creators to provide exclusive content to their users who have on subscription basis, or to the customers who have exclusively made the payment for that content. Okay, so here, because my courses are exclusive, therefore I am managing the courses with the help of TagMango. I can also conduct workshops over here. I could communicate with the students with the help of messages over here. I can post the details related to the course on my feed, and also I can add the study material related to courses. Okay. Now, let's get started quickly to automate the entire process of adding TagMango users for FlexiFunnel purchase. This is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by tapping the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, we will find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. So this is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create our automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. Now it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. On our dashboard, we can find all the workflows which we have created, and to save the workflows, we can also create separate folders over here. Now, to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, a dialog box has appeared in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. First of all, let me provide a name over here according to the purpose of my workflow. Enroll TagMango user in FlexiFunnels purchase. After giving the name to my workflow, then I'm going to select the folder. And this automation which I'm going to create is related to learning management. So here, automations for learning management will be my folder. Then I'm going to click on create. As we have done that, a new screen is open in front of us. The screen contains two windows: trigger and actions. So trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation works. Here the trigger says when this happens, and the action says do this. That means the action is a response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose my objective is that every time a new purchase will be made in FlexiFunnels by the interested student, then that student should be enrolled as a user in TagMango. So here for that, I'm going to take FlexiFunnels and trigger and TagMango in my action step. When we are going to build the connection between these two applications, then we will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the purchase will be made in FlexiFunnels, then only the student will be enrolled in TagMango, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us quickly start creating our automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, let's go towards our trigger step and let us select our trigger application as FlexiFunnels. As my objective is that every time a new purchase will be made in FlexiFunnels, then only the response should be captured. So the application with the help of which the workflow is going to start is FlexiFunnels. So I'm going to select that. As we have done that, now we have to select the trigger event. So here I want that when a new purchase will be made in FlexiFunnels, then the response should be captured. So new purchase will be our trigger event. Okay, now we have to build a connection between FlexiFunnels and Pabbly Connect to capture the response every time. To do that, you can see that we have received a webhook URL. So we need to insert this webhook URL inside our specific course in FlexiFunnels, which we want that when that course will be purchased, the response should be captured. Then the webhook URL will be acting as a bridge for transferring the data of every new purchase of the course in FlexiFunnels towards Pabbly Connect. How we are going to insert the webhook URL? By following the given steps. So let's simply copy the webhook URL, and do not worry, I'm going to show you each and every step which you have to follow. So first of all, I will take you towards my FlexiFunnel accounts. Over here, we have to go towards our product section. These are all the products I have. That means these are the courses which I have. So I'm going to select any one of them. So let's say I'm going to select this PHP programming course. So I'm going to open it. After coming on the course which you want to connect, from the left side, you can see the option of set rules. So over here, you have to set a rule. So let's click on this set product rules button. Now you have to set a rule that on which event you want to transfer the response towards Pabbly Connect. So I want that when the product will be purchased, then the response should be transferred. Or it is asking us which kind of prices you want to select over here. So I'm going to select for all pricing options. Then here it is asking me use. So I want webhook over here. After selecting webhook, then it is asking us to provide a name to the webhook. So you can give any name. Let's say I'm going to give the name as new students, and now we have to paste the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect in this webhook URL field. As we have done that, let's click on save, and you can see our webhook is added over here. So let's go back towards Pabbly Connect. It is showing waiting for webhook response. This means that now we have to do a test submission. How we are going to do that? By simply purchasing the course which we have recently connected with Pabbly Connect. So in my FlexiFunnels account, I'm now going to purchase the course. So this is the checkout page of the course in FlexiFunnels. I'm going to click on buy now option. And we have to enter the details in these fields to purchase this course. So let's say the name of the student who is purchasing is Smart, and let's say the last name is Student. Let's say the email is smartstudent59@pablitudes.com. Now I'm going to enter a random number, address, city, state, zip code, and a country. Okay, now I'm going to enter the card details over here to make this payment. So as this is a dummy purchase which I'm going to make, so I'm going to give a random card number over here, then dummy expiry date, a random CVV, and a random zip code. Okay, now I'm going to click on complete order. And as we have done that, you can see that the purchase is successfully made. So as the purchase is made, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect, and you can see that yes, the response is captured over here in Pabbly Connect. In the response, we have received all the details. So let's start reading them one by one. First of all, we have the zip code of the customer. We have the transaction ID. We have the state of the customer. We have the sales page URL. That means through which page the purchase is made. We have the page ID. We have the name of the course which is being purchased, the product ID, the price which is paid, the phone number of the customer, the name of the customer. Then we have their email address and their city as well as the address. Okay, this means our connection between FlexiFunnels and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. Now every time a new purchase for a course will be made in FlexiFunnels, the response is going to be captured. And because we have received the response, we want to add the student who has purchased this course, PHP programming, as a user in TagMango so that they can study the content of that particular course. Okay, for that now we have to build the connection between TagMango and Pabbly Connect. So let's go towards our action step and let us select our action application as TagMango. Now we have to select the action event. And now because I want to create a user in TagMango, so migrate user will be my action event. Let's click on connect. To build this connection with TagMango, here we have to enter the API key. So how we are going to get this API key? For getting that, you just have to go towards your TagMango account. Then on the dashboard, you will find the option of automations. Under automation, you will have your API key. So now I'm going to take you towards my TagMango account. Okay, we are on the dashboard. So here we have the option of automation from the left side. Under automation, here we have the option of platform integrations. And over here we have the Pabbly API key. Let's copy it and we'll move back to paste it over here in this field. Okay, let's click on save. As we have done that, now TagMango is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. We have to enter the details in these fields to create a user over there. So we have to enter the name of the user, the phone number, their email address, Mango ID, etc. So let's start entering them one by one. Because we want to automate the entire process of enrolling users in TagMango for every FlexiFunnel purchase, therefore we are not going to enter the details manually in these fields. We will simply map the data. Mapping is inserting data from previous step. This is my previous step, and here we have the name of the student, first name and the last name. When we will select this name from here, first name with a space, I'm going to map the last name as well. And in this way, when we have mapped this name from the previous response, it has become dynamic. So with each and every new response, automatically it is going to replace. So this means that every time a new FlexiFunnel purchase will be made by the student for a course, automatically the details which we are going to map are going to replace, and in this way only we are going to automate the entire process. Now let's map the phone number. Now it is asking us that you have to enter the phone number without the country code, and you can see in my response I have received the country code along with the phone number, so I will have to remove it. So what we will do, we will simply go back, we'll click on this plus sign to add one more action step in between, and we will select our action application over here as text formatter. With the help of text formatter, we will split the number. Here it is asking us what you want to perform. I want to split the text. Let's click on connect. Text formatter is an amazing feature of Pabbly which helps us to format the text in the workflow according to our requirements. Yes, of course, we are not splitting the text but the number over here, but we can use this feature for this as well. I want to split the number over here. So it is asking us which text you want to split. So we'll map the number, and because we have mapped this phone number, so it has become dynamic, and with each and every new response, it will get replaced. Now it is asking us what is the value which you want to use as a separator. So because I want to remove this country code and a plus sign from my number, so here the separator will be +91. Then it is asking us segment index. Which segment of this text you want? I want after the country code, that means the second one. So here I'm going to select second, and then we'll click on save and send test request button, and you can see that here we have received the number in the correct format. Let's map the number over here in this field. Now it is asking us the email address, so let's map the email of the student. Now we have to enter the Mango ID. In which particular Mango, that means in which particular course you want to enroll this student. So for that, now I'm going to take you towards my TagMango account. From the left side, when we'll go up here, we have the option of mangoes. And you can see we have multiple mangoes over here. So these are all the courses, or we can see these are the products in which we can enroll the students. I want to enroll the student who has purchased the course in FlexiFunnels in this PHP course. So basics of PHP will be my Mango over here, and we can see that we have the Mango ID for this course. So I will simply copy the Mango ID and we'll move back to paste it over here. Okay, now it is asking us the coupon. So for enrolling the student, we also have to use a coupon over here. So we have to enter the coupon which we have created. So once again, I will take you back towards TagMango. So in the marketing section over here, we can see the option of coupons. And over here we have the coupon which I have recently created for welcoming all the students in my basics of PHP course. I will simply copy this activated coupon and I will paste it over here. Okay, done. After entering this coupon, now we have to enter the details in these fields, but they are not mandatory. So I'm directly going to click on save and send test request button. And over here, you can see that yes, the response is received. So I'm going to take you towards my TagMango account. Over here in the customer section, we can see that yes, a new student is recently added with all the same details. This means our connection between FlexiFunnels and TagMango is absolutely successful. And now every time a new purchase will be made in FlexiFunnels, automatically the student will be enrolled in TagMango for that specific course. So in the similar manner, by simply setting up the connection between FlexiFunnels and TagMango, you can also very easily create this automation for systematically automating your learning management system and enrolling users in TagMango for every FlexiFunnels purchase. So I hope this automation is clear to you and also it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.